You've been told that getting rich is about working harder, about grinding 12 hours a day, or about saving every penny and avoiding your favorite coffee. But let me tell you something. If that was the real formula, most hardworking people would already be wealthy. The truth is, wealth is not about how much you work. It is about understanding one simple principle that wealthy people already know. And once you understand it, guess what? You'll likely get rich too. Alright, let's kick things off with the core principle. Money flows to those who understand how to multiply value, not just how to trade time. Think about it, the richest people in the world aren't paid by the hour. They're paid for the value they create, the problems they solve, and the scale at which they solve them. So, if you're stuck trading your time for money, your income will always have a ceiling. But when you learn how to detach your income from your time, that is when your earning potential becomes limitless. But how the rich apply it? The wealthy understand leverage, not just financial leverage, but also skill leverage, network leverage, and technology leverage. They build businesses that work even when they are sleeping, they invest in assets that grow without them lifting a finger, and they hire people smarter than them in certain areas to multiply their income. For example, Jeff Bezos doesn't pack boxes at Amazon. He created a system, a platform, and a machine. And that machine runs with or without him. And every hour, it generates millions in value. But why most people miss it? Most people focus on earning more from a job, and that is fine at first. But if you stop there, you'll be stuck in the same loop forever. So the problem? You are trying to think like employees, not like owners. School taught us how to follow instructions, but it never taught us how to create systems that pay us over and over again. So if you want to break free from this, here's the good news. You can start applying this principle today. 1. Identify a high-value skill, whether it is copywriting, sales, coding, investing, or marketing, something that solves real problems. 2. Find ways to serve more people at once. Use social media, online courses, e-commerce, apps, or services that can scale. 3. Reinvest your profits. Instead of upgrading your lifestyle too soon, put your money into assets, stocks, real estate, or online platforms that will earn for you. When you do this, you start building a money machine, one that eventually works harder than you do. And here's the mindset shift you need. Stop asking how can I make more money this month, and start asking how can I build something that will pay me every month for the next 10 years. Wealth is about ownership, not just income. It is about creating systems of value that keep flowing long after you've stopped working. Once you understand this principle, that money flows to those who multiply value at scale, your approach to life changes. You stop thinking like a worker and start thinking like a builder. You don't need to be born rich to make it happen. You just need to start today. Because once you truly understand this, you'll likely get rich.